Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive across Louisiana on I-10, beginning in Jefferson Davis Parish at mile 48. Jefferson Davis Parish is named after the President of the Confederacy during the American Civil War and was one of the last parishes to be organized in the state of Louisiana in 1913. The parish has a population of 31,413 as of 2016. We're skirting the northern edge of the unincorporated community of La Cassine, which lies mostly along US Highway 90, just a couple of miles south of I-10. We enter the town limits of Welsh. Welsh was originally a homestead owned by a former plantation overseer and Confederate States Army soldier Henry Welsh in the late 1800s. In 1881, Welsh donated right-of-way and a section house to the Southern Pacific Railroad on the condition that trains stop in the town. The town of Welsh was platted in 1880 and incorporated on March 15, 1888, when Henry Welsh was elected the first mayor. Welsh has a population of 3,232 as of 2016. Exit 59 leads to the unincorporated community of Roanoke, established in 1895. Roanoke had a population of 546 people in 2010. ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Elton Jennings. We're now in the city of Jennings, the parish seat of Jefferson Davis Parish. Jennings Macomb, for whom the town was named, was an Irish contractor of the Southern Pacific Railroad. This became the center of the new development based on the railroad. The first settler was recorded as A.D. McFarland, who came in 1881 from St. Mary Parish and opened a store. The Jennings area attracted numerous wheat farmers from Iowa, Kansas, Nebraska, and other Midwestern states. The new settlers of southwest Louisiana were referred to as Yankees by the natives. Yeah, like me. They had settled along the waterways in the parish, which they had relied on for transportation before the railroad. They fished in the bayous. The Cajuns gave appreciable aid to the settlers in homesteading and homemaking. The people grew rice, cotton, sweet potatoes, and corn. On May 2, 1888, the settlement of Jennings was incorporated as a village. In 1901, a fire destroyed a large portion of the wooden structures in Jennings. This seems to be a common theme during that era. That same year, Jennings was the site of the first oil well to produce in the state of Louisiana, revealing its first oil field. When oil production declined, the basic agricultural economy of the parish supported the town. Jennings had an estimated population of 10,118 as of 2016. After leaving Jennings, we enter Acadia Parish, founded in 1886. The name of the parish is derived from the former French colony of Acadia in Canada, which consisted of the modern provinces of Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, New Brunswick, and much of Maine, many of whose French-speaking inhabitants were deported to France and then migrated to Louisiana in the Great Upheaval. We conclude today's video at exit 76, Louisiana Highway 91, which leads to the communities of Iota and Estherwood. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise, at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.